Hello dear viewers, this is ERi-TV English news broadcast with me Bersa Batagle. Following are the major headlines for today. Eritrea participates at IGAD regular meeting. Commendable water and soil conservation activities in the southern region. More than 45 people killed in attack on Democratic Republic of Congo's displacement camp. And Iran and Venezuela to increase bilateral trade and sign petrochemical deal. On your local report, senior Eritrean delegation composed of Mr. Osman Saleh, Minister of Foreign Affairs, and Presidential Advisor Mr. Yemane Gabrab participated at the 14th regular meeting of the Intergovernmental Authority on Development, or IGAD, that was held in Djibouti on 12 June. At the meeting, the Eritrean delegation affirms Eritrea's readiness to endeavor, in conjunction with all member states, to the rejuvenation and effectiveness of the Intergovernmental Authority on Development, or IGAD, as well as the advancement of peace, stability, development, and economic integration of the region. The delegation also underlined that dedicated focus on development, a leading role in fostering regional peace and security, a synergetic regional approach to external relations and partnership, an effective self-financing organization with requisite capabilities, as well as devotion to its rules and regulations are vital ingredients to its strength and success. The Eritrean delegation also stressed the need for a leading IGAD role regarding the Sudan crisis. Intergovernmental Authority on Development, or IGAD, comprises Eritrea, Ethiopia, Sudan, South Sudan, Djibouti, Uganda, Kenya, and Somalia. The Agricultural and Land Department in the southern region reported that commendable water and soil conservation activities have been conducted with a view to boost agricultural production. At the meeting conducted on 9 June and in which heads and agricultural experts from the head office and the region took part, Mr. Yemane Abay, Director General of Agriculture and Land, indicated that with the ample rainfall distribution in the months of April and May, about 168,000 hectares of land have been cultivated with variety of crops and are in good condition. Regarding seeds and livestock development, Mr. Yemane said that commendable activity has been conducted to develop and distribute improved wheat as well as sweet potato and oilseeds to farmers. Pointing out that over 21 liters of organic fertilizers and pesticides have been distributed to farmers, Mr. Yemane said that encouraging achievement has been registered in controlling pests and crop diseases. The participants conducted extensive discussion on the report presented and adopted various recommendations. Speaking at the occasion, Mr. Arfaine Berhe, Minister of Agriculture, called for reinforced water and soil conservation, animal fodder production, as well as distribution and consumption of sweet potatoes. On your last local news, Hagaz Agricultural and Technical School reported that it is exerting strong effort to develop milk production and supply to the market with fair prices. According to Mr. Nugusa Gebrahiwet, Head of Administration and Finance, the school has 42 milk cows and produces 160 liters of milk daily, and most of it is distributed to the public. Mr. Zaki Abdul Adar, Head of Animal Resources, on his part said that the school produces green animal fodder and conducted daily follow-up on the health of the milk cows. Hagaz Agricultural and Technical School, alongside providing regular education, has marmalade and wine producing factories. Still to come here on ERi-TV is your international reports and a short break. Welcome back. More than 45 people have been killed in an attack on a camp for internally displaced persons in Northern Democratic Republic of Congo. This is according to the United Nations peacekeeping mission there. The attack, which occurred Sunday evening into Monday morning, is believed to have been perpetrated by fighters belonging to a coalition of militia groups called the Cooperative for the Development of the Congo. According to the UN, the fighters massacred vulnerable displaced people in the Lala displacement site in Dujugu territory. The site is located 5 kilometers from Bulle, the site of a UN peacekeeping base. This militia group claims to protect the Lendu community from another ethnic group, the Hima, as well as the Congo's army. In a statement, the UN peacekeeping mission extended its condolences to the families of the victims and wished a speedy recovery to the injured. Iran and Venezuela want to increase bilateral trade to $20 billion from 3 billion, Iranian President Ibrahim Raisi said on Monday during a visit to Caracas. During the visit, the two countries signed a memorandum of understanding to expand cooperation in petrochemicals with a view to carrying out joint projects building on their already close cooperation in oil. The governments, both under U.S. sanctions, provided no details of the petrochemical deal. Venezuelan state television said the accord between Venezuelan state petrochemical firm Pequiven and the Iranian counterpart would facilitate cooperation in oil exploration and development and assess the possibility of joint projects. The countries also signed a deal to expand cooperation in mining, but provided no details. Maduro held Raisi's visit and the two countries' bilateral relationship and said further deals and investments were on the horizon. The Caracas visit is the first stop on a Latin American tour by Raisi, who will also travel to Cuba and Nicaragua. On your final report, NATO has started the largest ever Air Force deployment exercise in the Western Military Alliance's history. A drill being presented as a display of unity among members and partners of the bloc as tensions with Russia have escalated following the Russia-Ukraine war. The German Air Force-led Air Defender 23 exercises, which began on Monday, involved approximately 250 military aircraft from 25 NATO and partner countries, including Japan and NATO applicant Sweden. Up to 10,000 service members are participating in the drills, which run until June 23 and are designed to boost interoperability and preparedness of NATO air forces in a quote-unquote crisis situation, including protecting against drones and cruise missiles in the case of an attack within NATO territory. You're still watching ERi-TV, viewers, and now a quick recap of the major headlines. Eritrea participates at IGAD regular meeting. Commendable water and soil conservation activities in the southern region. More than 45 people killed in attack on Democratic Republic of Congo's displacement camp. And Iran and Venezuela to increase bilateral trade and sign petrochemical deal. Dear viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching.